back to my channel. This giant bag of stuff came in the mail. It's from MOTELROCKS, so they sent me a bunch of stuff. I forgot already, as always. I think they sent this to me like a month ago from like Australia or Sweden. So I went and picked it up at the post office. Break it open and I see it comes. We are going to have a little mini haul video. I'm just gonna show you guys what they sent me and we'll try it on together and see if we love it, we hate it. So yeah, I guess they're like an Instagram brand or something, but let's just try it on. Alright, so here is the first item. I wish I would have got a size small, but you know how online sizing goes. You never know what size to get, but other than that, like the material is like a really like nice quality. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like a spandex material, so I like. Super cute. I'm mad I didn't get a small. So here's like what the details look like. I mean, I guess the extra small isn't terrible, but I already would have known myself. And I would probably wear this with like heels or something. Looks like they gave me a giant petticoat. So let's just throw it on, shall we? It's not like a super soft kind of teddy feel. We'll zip it up just for, what size did I get? This thing's massive. I don't know if I got like a bigger size or if that's the style. Perfect if you have like a dress on like this. It's very soft, it's cute. This size small, so yeah. It's definitely like supposed to be like a coat. The quality isn't as nice as like this little cute snakeskin dress, but I do like it. It's perfect for like to go with the outfit, so. Alright, next up it looks like a sweater. So I'm just gonna throw it on. It's like a really soft like material. I got extra small because it was like a bigger, I remember now. Kind of has an interesting smell, if you care about that. It will actually look really cute with like a dress. So it'd be so cute if you like put some necklaces with it. It's really soft. It'd be cute if you wore like a high-waisted jean or something, and you could even like do that whole like you could crop. It's already pretty cropped, but you could crop it some more and like tuck it under. Kind of has like a weird smell to it. It's already been washed or something. Came out of the package, so you know it's new. Alright, so here's what it looks like. It looks really cute with like a dress underneath. I'm really lazy, so we're just gonna throw this over. Oh my Jesus. I think my head got stuck. So here's what this looks like on. I love just like a basic crop top. It would look cute even if you did it like this. I've been seeing a lot of people do this with dresses lately. You can totally wear it even underneath the dress. But I would normally wear it with jeans, but I was just too lazy. We like? Alright, I threw it on with some jeans, just so you could get an idea. But obviously I'd wear something over top of it. But I really like it. It fits really nice, even though it's kind of hard to get on. It's like a nice quality. I really like it. It came in different colors too. I think it came in black. So this one's like a basic and I can wear it with like a bunch of different stuff. Okay, and this is the last top. It actually is like a onesie. I just put it on kind of quick, so someone needs to tighten it. But you can adjust the straps with that thing in the back. And it's like a satin material. I wore something underneath it. I know some people probably wouldn't wear a bra. I did. For today's haul. It was just a quick haul. Thank you to MOTELROCKS for sending everything. And yeah, that's it for today. My camera is literally about to die. But let me know what your guys' favorite outfit was. Overall, I mean, I'm pretty much impressed with everything. I think my favorite is the dress. I really like the dress because it's like a super nice material. It's like, I could see myself wearing this a lot. I The only thing is I wish I would have ordered the next size up for length, but I always get so confused when I'm ordering online. You know how the sizes always like throw you off? I mean, I could see myself using and wearing all of them. But yeah, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bonus is turn on the little bell notification so you guys know when I post a new video. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye!
Where you